Now is really the moment. We are facing, as a species, existential crises of our own creation. Fundamentally, this requires us to embrace total transformation of everything that we do. And I think that design and designers are incredibly well placed to help to reframe this purpose and reclaim power in order to build the livable future that we need. This is an incredible moment for design and indeed the creative industries generally here in the Philippines. There's a huge groundswell of public and political support for design in the creative industries. So this is really the moment for Filipino designers to really seize the baton and run forward to help create the future that we all need to survive and thrive.